The question 4b. Now question 4b is saying that suppose you invest 2,000 naira at an annual interest rate of 6%. Find your balance at the end of the first year if the interest is compounded yearly, semi-annually, quarterly, and monthly. Now this is what we call multi-compounding. Now when you are looking at multi-compounding, quickly, now multi-compounding, of course, is always represented by M. Multi-compounding means that when the interest that is accrued to your investment is more than once in a year. Now, of course, if you have annually is the same thing as yearly. So your M will be 1. But when you have semi-annually means twice in a year. So your M will be 2. And when you say quarterly means 4 times in a year. And of course, when you say monthly means 12 times in a year. So this is what we call multi-compounding. So now, and of course, when you are doing compound interest, your formula for compound interest is principal into 1 plus I over n raised to power n raised to power n. That's if it is multi-compounding. So in this one now, you know, our principal is 2,000 naira. According to the question, 2,000 naira. Our interest rate, which is I, is 6%. 6% is the same thing as 6 over 100, which is 0.06. And it is just 1 year. Your N is 1. Why? Because they said that find your balance at the end of first year. So your N is 1 in this case. So here now, I'm now going to say for A, which is yearly, my compound interest is going to be 2,000 into bracket 1 plus interest rate is 0.06 all over 1 into bracket 1 times 1, because it is yearly. But if you are talking about B now, which is semi-annually means our compound interest is going to be 2,000 into 1 plus 0.06 all over 2 raised to power 1 times 2. And of course, if you are going to do for quarterly, your compound interest is going to be 2,000 into 1 plus 0.06 over 4 into bracket 1 times 4. Let me quickly explain this. Why is it that you have 2,000 here? Because that's the principal. Why do you have 0.06? Because that's 6% is given in the question. Then why do you have 1 here? 1 is the number of years. The other 1 is because it's yearly. So N is 1 if it is yearly. But if you look at the second one, semi-annually, your principal is still 2,000. And you have 6% interest, 0.06. You are dividing by 2 because semi-annually means 2. Then 1 is the number of years times 2, which is semi-annually. Then for the third one, you still have the 2,000. 1 plus the 1, of course, is from the formula. The interest rate is 0.06, which is 6%. It is given in the question. Over 4. Why is it over 4? Because it's quarterly. And anything quarterly, multi-compounding is 4. And of course, the last one I have to do is monthly, which the space for now cannot contain it. So let's solve this ones first, then we'll get to that. So by the time we do this, I'm going to have 2000 into 1 plus, if you divide 0.06 by 1, it will still give you 0.06 raised to power. 1 times 1 will still give you 1. Now, so if we want to solve this further, we are going to have 2000 into, if you add this together, that will give you 1.06 raised to power 1. 1 plus this is 1.06 raised to power 1. So if you want to do this, so you are going to multiply, 1.06 raised to power 1. It will still give you 1.06. So 2000 into bracket 1.06. So 2000 times 1.06, what would that give us if we press our calculator? See what I have done. 1.06 raised to power 1 is still 1.06. Then this 2000 is still there. So I want to multiply the two now. Okay, you can use your calculator there while I use mine here. Now, using my own calculator, 1.06 multiplied by 2000 will give me 2120, and I hope that's the figure you have also, 2120. So it means the answer for A is 2120. Now let's try to do for the second one. Now for the second one, I have 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2. Now 0.06 divided by 2 is 0.03. 0.03. Then close the bracket. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now by the time you add this together, you are going to have 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.03. That will be 1.03 raised to power 2. 1.03 raised to power 2. Now if you do this further, 1.03 raised to power 2. Now you can use your calculator there. Let me use my own calculator here. Now using my own calculator here, I have 1.03 times 1.03, because that is square. So what I'm going to have will now be 2000 in, I'm going to have 2000 into bracket 1.0609. Now by the time you multiply this together, by the time you say 2000 times 1.0609, so 2000 times 1.0609, that will give me 21.8. That's 21.8. That's what I will have. 21.8. Now for this third one, of course, I'm going to have 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. Using my own calculator here, 0.06 divided by 4, that gives me 0.015. 0.015. Then 1 times 4, that gives me 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now by the time you add this together, you are going to have 2000 into brackets 1.015 raised to power 4. Okay, let me clean the one upstairs so that I can utilize that space. So I'm going to have of course for the quarterly now, continuation of the quarterly. So I'm going to have 2000 into brackets 1.015 raised to power 4. And of course, by the time you do this, you will have 2000 into bracket. Now let's do 1.015 raised to power 4 in my calculator. Now using your own calculator at the other end, maybe you have gotten the figure. Using your own calculator at the other end, I'm going to have 1.015 raised to power 4 raised to power 4. So 1.015 raised to power 4. Now that will give me 1.061363. 1.06163. That's what we are going to have. 1.061363. 363. Now by the time you multiply that with 2000, by the time you multiply this figure with 2000, you are going to have 2000 times 1.061363, and that will give you 2122.726. that is 2122.76. 2122.76. 2122.76. That's what you are going to have. And for the last one, which is D, which is monthly, for monthly now, so it's going to be 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.06 all over 12 into bracket 1 times 12 into bracket 1 times 12. And of course, if you want to do this, so you are now going to have 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. Now 0.06 divided by 12, 0.06 divided by 12 will give you 0.005. 0.005. Okay, 0.005. Then 1 times 12 is 12. So by the time you add this together, you are going to have 2000 into bracket 1.005 raised to power 12. 1.005 raised to power 12. Now, how do you do justice to this? Using your calculator from your own end there. Now, I am trying to use my own calculator from my end. Now, from your own end, you want to get the value of 1.005 raised to power 12. So 1.005 raised to power 12. So that will give me 2000 into bracket 1.0616 77. So 81, then 8119. And by the time you multiply this with 2000, you are going to have, so I can say times 2000. So you are going to have 2123.356. 2123.356. 2123.356. 0.356. Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of that question. We only have one more question to go.